Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this quick tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to delete a pin or even an entire board on Pinterest. First, log into Pinterest and then open the board where your pin is saved. Next, tap on the pin you want to remove and then click on the three dots in the corner and select edit pin or delete pin, and then confirm then the pin is gone. Now if you want to delete a whole board, go to your profile, open the board and then tap on the three dots in the corner, select edit board, scroll down and you see the option of delete board, then confirm. The entire board with all its pin will be removed. Just remember, once you delete a pin or board, it can't be recovered, so make sure you really want to remove it before confirming. And that's it. This is how you guys can delete your board or pin. It can on Pinterest. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and check out my other Pinterest tutorials. Thank you.